Hello Magic Fams, welcome to Ahenjita's Magic Talent. I am Ahenjita. And in today's video I am going to show you a beautiful wall hanger. You have seen in the thumbnail and title that this is room decoration episode 1. So there will be many episodes. So first let's see how to make it. After that I am telling everything. was the wall hanger, very attractive wall hanger for all of you for your room decoration. So this was episode 1. There will be many episodes of room decorative crafts. I am doing this full series for a special video when I am going to upload it. Before that day I will inform you on my Instagram account. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link in the description box, and like the video, share it to your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel Ahenjita's Magic Talent. So bye.